Welcome to learners. This is Logeshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, St.Josephs College of Arts and Science for Women, Hosur. Today we'll learn about C pointers. Let me see C pointer. The C pointer is a C language, is a variable which can store the address of another variable. This is a variable can be any type, integer, characters, array, function or any other pointer. The size of pointers depend on the architecture. The 32-bit architecture of size, the pointer is 2 byte. For example, it define the pointer as int n equal to 10. So next point is int pointer of p equal to address of n. The value of p is a type of pointer, is pointing to the address of variable of n. Okay, this is the example for the pointers. Is a core component of C language. The pointer can be used to store the memory address of variables, functions and other pointers. We can use the pointer allows low-level memory access, dynamic memory allocation and many other functions in C. Okay, what is pointer in C? It can define derived data type that can store the address of C variable or memory location. We can access the manipulate of data stored in the memory location using the pointer. As the pointer store the memory addresses, the size is independent of the type of data. So the size of pointers is C only, depend on the system architecture. Advantages of pointers. The following points are the advantages in C. So pointers are very useful for dynamic memory allocation and deallocation also. And arrays or structures can be accessed efficiently with pointers. The pointers are useful for accessing memory location and it is used to complex data structures such as linked list, graph tree also. Okay, pointers reduce the length of the program and its execution of the time as well as. Advantages of pointers. The memory corruptions can occur if an incorrect values are provided to pointers. The pointers are little bit complex to understand. The pointers are majority responsible for memory leak in C. The pointers are comparatively slower than variable in C. Uninitialized pointers might cause the segmentation fault. So pointer in C pointer is very useful for the tool. It can widely used in programming in C perform various useful operations. It is used to achieve the following functionalities: pass the argument by reference, accessing the array elements. It can return the multiple value from function. So it can dynamic memory allocation also, implementing the data structures and its system level programming where memory addresses are very useful. The avoid the compiler confusion for the same variable name. It can locate in the exact value at the same memory location. It can to use the control tables. Syntax for the C pointer. What is the syntax here? So first one, we can use the dereferencing operator in the pointer declaration. So first we should give the data type. After that we can give dereferencing operator, then pointer variable. Okay, the pointer is specify the name of the pointer. Data type is referred as the type of the data is pointing to. How to use pointer? The use of pointer can be divided into 3 steps: pointer declaration, pointer initialization, pointer dereferencing. So pointer declaration. In the pointer declaration, we can declare the pointer but we do not initialize. To declare the pointers, we can use the dereference operator before its name. So example, int dereferencing operators ptr. So the pointers declare will point to some random memory address. It not initialized. Such pointers are called while pointers. So after that pointer initialization, this initialization process where we assign some initial value to the pointer variable, we can generally use ampersand operator. So address of operators that called as the get the memory addresses of variable and then store in the pointer variable. Example for the pointer declaration. So it means the integer, so variable equal to 10. This is the local variable declaration. It means we have to 10 assigned to the variable. After that pointer declaration, it means int the pointer. After that pointer equal to address of variable. It means the variable of address move to the pointer variable. It can declare and initialize the pointer in a single step. This method is also called the pointer definition, as the pointer is declared and initialized at the same time. Okay, so example. So this step, the previous examples here. So first you can declare the pointer variable. After that you can initialize. This example for the same time you have to declare and initialize. So for example, integer pointer variable equal to address of variable. So the same process will be single line. Okay, that is the example for here. So it is recommended the pointer should always be initialized to some value before starting using it. So otherwise it may lead to number of errors also. Next one, pointer dereferencing. Dereferencing is a pointer. It can process of accessing the value stored in the memory address. It can specify in pointer. We use the same dereferencing operator that we used in pointer declaration. First example is here. First one, address of pointer variable. So is 07ff9, that is address of the pointer variable. So we can assign the value of variable as 10. So that is the value of variable is the, suppose if we assign the value of variable to pointer variable, it can refer as the address 0 into 7f of a. So that is address for the pointer variable. This is the example program for the pointer variable. First, the main function will be execute. So it can call the function as geek. The function name as geek. So the calling function move to the definition part. It has the only one variable declared. So variable equal to 10. So after that, so it can declare the pointer variable as ptr. The ptr equal to assign the variable. Okay, assign the variable of address. It means the 10 is stored to variable and the ptr is ptr is get the address of variable. So printf, the value of ptr equal to the first, it can print the address. Okay, so after that the value of variable equal to 10. The value of ptr values, that means the pointer value is also 10. Okay, so address of variable means the variable address will be stored in ptr. Thank you.